The Accidental Encounter. Part 1. A Chance Meeting. In the bustling streets of New York City, two strangers crossed paths in a most unexpected way. It was a typical Monday morning, with people rushing to start their day. Amidst the chaos, a young woman named Sophia hurried to grab a coffee before her busy workday began. As she turned the corner, she accidentally collided with a handsome stranger, spilling coffee all over his shirt. "Oh no, I'm so sorry," Sophia exclaimed, mortified. The stranger, Max, smiled warmly and replied, "It's okay, I needed a coffee break anyway." As they both bent down to pick up the scattered coffee cups, their eyes met, and time seemed to stand still. Sophia felt an inexplicable jolt, as if she had been struck by lightning. Max, too, experienced an unusual sensation, as if he had found something he had been searching for his whole life. As they stood up, Sophia couldn't help but notice Max's piercing blue eyes and chiseled features. Max, on the other hand, was captivated by Sophia's striking green eyes and long, curly hair. They exchanged apologetic smiles, and Sophia offered to buy him a new coffee. Max accepted, and they walked together to a nearby cafe. As they sipped their coffee, they discovered an uncanny connection. Both were passionate about art, music, and adventure. Their conversation flowed effortlessly, like they had known each other for years. Sophia, a graphic designer, was enchanted by Max's stories of his travels as a photographer. Max, in turn, was impressed by Sophia's creativity and quirky sense of humor. The more they talked, the more they realized that their chance encounter was something special. As they finished their coffee, Max asked Sophia if she'd like to join him for an impromptu art exhibit in the city. Sophia agreed, and they exchanged numbers. As they parted ways, Sophia felt a spark she hadn't experienced in a long time. Little did she know that this accidental encounter would change her life forever. Part 2. An Unforgettable Evening. Sophia couldn't concentrate at work, her mind wandering to the charming stranger she had met that morning. She felt a flutter in her chest as she thought about their chance encounter and the undeniable connection they had shared. As the day drew to a close, Sophia made her way to the art exhibit, her heart racing with excitement. Max was already there, looking dashing in a black jacket and a smile that could light up a room. Together, they immersed themselves in the vibrant artwork, discussing their favorite pieces and laughing like old friends. As the evening wore on, Max suggested a walk through Central Park, and Sophia agreed. The crisp autumn air and the twinkling city lights only added to the magic of their encounter. They strolled hand in hand, feeling like they were floating on air. Max told Sophia about his passion for photography, and she shared her dreams of starting her own design studio. Their conversations flowed effortlessly, and Sophia felt like she had found a kindred spirit. As they reached the Bethesda fountain, Max turned to Sophia and said, "I feel like I've known you my whole life. You're the missing piece I never knew I needed." Sophia's heart skipped a beat as she looked into his eyes, feeling the same inexplicable connection. Without another word, Max leaned in, and their lips met in a soft, sweet kiss. The world around them melted away, leaving only the two of them, lost in the magic of their accidental encounter. As they pulled back, gasping for air, Sophia smiled up at Max and whispered, "I think this is the start of something special." Max smiled back, his eyes shining with happiness, and wrapped his arms around her, holding her close. Part 3. A Love That Lasts. As the days turned into weeks, Sophia and Max's connection only grew stronger. They spent every spare moment together, exploring the city, trying new foods, and laughing until their sides hurt. Sophia had never felt this way about anyone before. Max was her rock, her confidant, her partner in every sense of the word. He encouraged her to pursue her dreams, and she supported him in his photography endeavors. One evening, as they sat on a rooftop watching the sunset, Max turned to Sophia and said, "I love you. I want to spend the rest of my life making you happy." Sophia's heart soared as she replied, "I love you too. Forever and always." They got married a year later, surrounded by friends and family, in a beautiful outdoor ceremony. Sophia wore a stunning lace gown, and Max couldn't take his eyes off her. They exchanged vows, promising to love and cherish each other through thick and thin. Years went by, and their love continued to flourish. They traveled the world together, built a cozy home, and started a family. Through it all, they held on to the spark that had brought them together in the first place, the magic of their accidental encounter. One day, as they sat on their porch, holding hands and watching their children play, Sophia turned to Max and said, "Do you ever think about that day we met? The coffee spill, the art exhibit, the kiss." Max smiled, his eyes twinkling, and replied, "Every day, my love. Every day." And as they leaned in for a kiss, Sophia knew that their love would last a lifetime, a love that had begun with a chance meeting, a love that had grown stronger with each passing day, and a love that would forever be the stuff of fairy tales. Summary: Sophia and Max, two strangers, have a chance encounter in New York City when Sophia accidentally spills coffee on Max. They exchange apologies and discover a deep connection, sharing a passion for art, music, and adventure. As they spend more time together, their connection grows stronger, leading to a romantic relationship, marriage, and a lifetime of love and happiness. Their accidental meeting becomes a serendipitous moment that changes their lives forever.